Today we'll discuss how to apply various forms of a line. In the previous class we had discussed various forms of a line. Now let us see how to apply those various forms of a line in different ways. Okay. The first one is slope form. Slope form y is equal to mx. Suppose if I write 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. How to convert this into y is equal to mx? Okay, 3y is equal to minus 2x. Y is equal to minus 2 by 3x. So y is equal to mx. So here m is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, suppose here that means here the constant is missing. Okay, if the constant is missing, such equations, it definitely passes through the origin. Okay, it passes through the origin. Okay, the equation in the form of y is equal to mx passes through the origin. So this is called as slope form. Okay, the second one is intercept form. Slope intercept form. Intercept form. In this there are two ways. First one is y-intercept. Y-intercept, that is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, I'll write an equation 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So here make y accepted. Y is equal to minus 2x plus 7. So here y is equal to mx. That means m is equal to minus 2. Then what is 7? 7 is nothing but y-intercept. That means here the line passes through the curve. What is that? 7. So 7 is there. That means the line is passing through 7. Okay, that means on y-axis the line is passing through the integer 7. So this is called as 7, that is which is known as y-intercept. X-intercept. X-intercept. Y is equal to m of x minus a. For example, you take 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Y is equal to, suppose you take minus 2x. 2x plus 6. Y is equal to, take 2 as 2 into, you take my plus 6 here. Okay, just for more. Okay, so that becomes minus 2x plus 2x minus 6. Take 2 as common, x minus 3. So here m is equal to 2, that means slope, and a is nothing but 3. That means the line is passing through 3. The line is passing through 3. Suppose here 1, 2, 3. So this is passing through 3, which is called as x-intercept. Okay. Next. Next one is point slope form. Point slope form. Point slope form. That means a line whose slope is given as 2, and this line is passing through the point 2, 3, something else. Then what is the equation? Yes, y minus y1. So take this x1, y1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is what we call as point slope form. That means point is given, slope is given. Then what is the equation? Y minus y13 is equal to m2 into x minus 2. Y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 4. That is equal to 2x minus y plus 3. That means I am taking this entire expression to other side. 2x, this plus y becomes minus y, minus 3 becomes plus 3, minus 4 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus y, that is a minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is what you call it as point slope form. Next one is intercept form. Intercept form. Intercept form. What do you mean by intercept form? Here x-intercept and y-intercept is given. X-intercept is given as A and y-intercept is given as B. Then what is the intercept form? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So you take the intercept, you take this as some 3 comma 0 and y-intercept as 0 comma some 7. That means here A is equal to 3, B is equal to 7. This is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. So you can write it as x by 3 plus y by 7 is equal to 1. Now take the LCM. 7 3s are 21 because they are co-primes. So that becomes 7x plus 3y is equal to 1. By 21 is equal to 1. 7x plus 3y is equal to 21 into 1, that is equal to 21. So that becomes 7x plus 3y minus 21 is equal to 0. So this is what you call it as intercept form. Okay. The next. Two points form of a line. That means here slope is not given. Slope is not given. Only 2 points are given. For example, you take a line whose 2 points are given. For example, 2 comma 3, 7 comma 1. Okay. So 2 points are given. How to find the equation? Slope is not given. So what is the equation? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, or you can write this in reverse order. Okay, so you take this x1 y1 x2 y2, apply the formula y minus y1 is equal to 3 by y2 minus y1 1 minus 3 y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1. x1 is 2 by x2 minus x1 7 minus 2 y minus 3 by 1 minus 3 is minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 by 7 minus 2 is 5. Do the cross multiplication. 5 into y minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 2. That becomes 5y minus 5 3s are 15 is equal to minus 2x minus of minus is plus 4. Take this entire expression to other side. That becomes, or take this to this side. 2x minus 2x becomes plus 2x. Okay, plus 5y minus 15 minus 4 is equal to 0. That becomes 2x plus 5y minus 15 minus 4 is equal to minus 19 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is how you have to find the equation whose 2 points are given, whose slope is not given. So this is called as 2 points form of a line. So like that you have to apply various forms of a line in this way. Okay, so I hope you understood this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Praveen Tutorials. Thank you.